This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out the W8Ben form. First, ensure you are a non-resident alien for U.S. tax purposes. This form confirms your foreign status to payers, preventing unnecessary U.S. tax withholding on income like dividends or royalties. It's crucial for individuals receiving U.S. sourced income who are not U.S. citizens or residents. Completing it correctly saves you from a standard 30% withholding rate. Next, accurately fill in your personal details. This includes your full legal name as it appears on official documents and your complete permanent residence address outside the U.S. Crucially, you must provide your Foreign Tax Identifying Number, or TIN, in Part 1, Line 6. If your country does not issue a TIN, or you don't have one, you must clearly explain the reason in the designated space. Now, let's discuss claiming treaty benefits. If your country has a tax treaty with the U.S., you can often claim a reduced withholding rate. You'll need to identify your country of residence and specify the relevant article and paragraph of the tax treaty. Clearly state the reduced rate you are claiming, for example, a 15% rate instead of 30%, and the type of income it applies to, such as interest or royalties. Finally, review all sections carefully for accuracy before signing and dating the form. Your signature certifies that the information provided is true and correct under penalties of perjury. Always make a copy for your personal records before submitting the original to the payer. This ensures you have proof of submission. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.